Moderna and Pfizer are releasing updated vaccines to combat new variants of COVID-19 for distribution this fall. Reporter Tristen Cortez with the details.
Even though we're no longer in the thick of it, experts from the Food and Drug Administration say that staying COVID-free will require routine immunization. In a September 11th news release by the FDA, the federal agency announced the release of updated COVID-19 vaccines that will combat new variants, such as the currently circulating BA.286 strain dubbed Virola. Later in the release, FDA Center for Biologics Evaluation and Research Director Peter Marks states, vaccination remains critical to public health and continued protection against serious consequences of COVID-19, including hospitalization and death. According to the Texas Department of State Health Services, cases of COVID-19 have begun to decline in Hidalgo County, with 3,196 fewer confirmed cases during the week following Labor Day. UTRGV Director of Health Services Glen Gray says vaccination is critical in dealing with variants of COVID-19.
Variant vaccine. It's a lot like the annual flu shots, where you get a different formula every year depending on what particular virus is circulating. Currently in the Valley and statewide, the rate of the new variant vaccines is up probably about 10% over prior years.
While universities across the country continue in-person enrollment during the fall academic semester, some universities have recommended mask usage, such as those in the Atlanta University Center Consortium. UTRGV Dean of Students Rebecca Gadsden says while the university has no plans for a change in operations, she advises students to follow the updated guidelines of the Center for Disease Control and Prevention.
I think it's important that people are aware of, what current guidance is from the Centers for Disease Control. I think our health areas will provide some additional information when the new vaccine becomes available and what that might mean.
The upcoming boosters from Pfizer and Moderna will be available at clinics and pharmacies throughout the country, such as here at UT Health Rio Grande Valley in Edinburgh. For a list of vaccine providers or to schedule an appointment with a provider, visit vaccines.gov. For KVAQ TV in Edinburgh, Tristen Cortez.